bad, just rainy. No thunders, just some rain. It's gonna be like this most of the day. But don't worry, that's gonna make for some great pictures. So thank you guys. Everyone, welcome to the video. If you like this kind of vlog style of video, you know, be sure to like, subscribe, and join me on the photography journey that I'm taking. So, all right, we'll see you at Road Atlanta. Walking around a paddock, and we found already an RX-7. Today's gonna be a good day. I'm sensing good photos. I feel it. So we made it out here to Road Atlanta, bringing the big glass out early in the morning. We're gonna be shooting at 1/50. I actually do love being at this place. So this is right at the bottom of turn 12, I would assume is the technical name of turn 12. Turn 1 right here. So, but this is what I was saying in a previous video. You have to do the recon now to understand where the good spots are. Imagine for Petit Le Mans, this whole paddock area will be covered in fill. But I'm thinking there is a cool spot right here. You know, even if for a little bit, you can get them coming down here, get them going this way. You're able to see them pretty good right in this spot. So I'm hoping that it looks nice, that when Petit Le Mans happens, this is a spot worth fighting for, because this is a pretty good spot. I really like that spot. I'm gonna go ahead and post some of the pictures. I'm gonna probably throw them while I'm talking. Yeah, I like that spot. That's worth it. Only bad thing was I was getting tore up by mosquitoes on my legs. So let's keep that in mind, because it is, well, it also doesn't help that it's quite damp. Come Petit Le Mans time, it's gonna be much cooler. It's gonna be more fallish, so maybe they'll all be dead. I hope so, the mosquitoes. I think he's trying to make a daring escape. I'm gonna try and capture him. I think he's trying to get across. He's going, please don't cross! No, groundhog! Don't cross! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it, groundhog! No! No, don't do it! Oh, look at him go! Look at him go! He's hustling! He did it! Oh my goodness! And he got to his hole. That's his burrow right there. Oh shit, dude. I'm scared to get closer, dude. I know I'm pretty far away, but I'm scared to get closer. They might fucking get my ass. These dudes are assholes. 2 at Road Atlanta for SCCA. Running a little behind today. I may or may not have had bad time management. Edited a lot of the photos, or got them into the editor, and then decided to play some NCAA on stream. So
throws for the tight
let's go.
End. Wide open downfield.
Oh! Get him off me! Get him off me! Get him off me!
He's at the 10.
Let's fucking go!
Spartans. And once he found...
Got a little sidetracked. Probably shouldn't have done that. Probably should have really focused in and got the photos edited, but that game's too much damn fun. So we're back here today. Gonna be some more overcast-like conditions with a little bit of rain here soon. So hoping that the thunderstorms hold off. I can deal with rain, but I can't deal with thunderstorms. So I had a ridiculous calf spasm this morning. I don't know if it was from walking or if I did something funny, but yeah, I had a ridiculously painful calf spasm. So we're bringing this bad boy out today. Peep the Noodle Legs Racing. I needed to focus. Noodle Legs Racing sticker. Shout out Cora. If you haven't seen her, she's an insane motorcycle rider. I was just about to text that man. What's up, dude? What's your page?
Dylan Kate Photography on Instagram.
All right.
And Facebook.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Where should this go? Does this go right next to the noodle legs? Do we put it here? Do we put it there? Where do we put this? Where should we put this? I think I'm gonna put it right here, like that. Doing that one hand, it's hard.
That's what she said.
Yeah. All right. Shout out to Dylan Cade. You saw him earlier in the video. He told me about a spot that might be one of those that I've marked off as worth fighting for. Here with Road Atlanta, this is turn 3. Going into the S's. Listen to this, hang on, here comes the Hellcat. Of the day is gonna look like, but we might be cutting it a little short here soon. It says it's gonna start raining here in a little bit. We've had a ton of fun out here right now. Overlooking turn 12, coming into, I would assume, is that 1 or is down there 1? I don't know, but this is definitely 12 right here. So we're just watching these. This is the what is it, Spec Ford or whatever these guys are. I call them the SCCA specs. I want to stay here. We might have to make a mad dash, get up the hill here, go get my umbrella. Come on, camera, work for me. God damn. Yeah, that's coming this way. We might have to make a mad dash. I gotta go run to my car. It's starting to come down. I gotta get back to the car. I think I made the right call by going when I did. Should have probably went a little earlier. Absolutely big brain strategy play by me right there with the umbrella in tow. Just like Jeremy Clarkson. The level of my genius is almost frightening. Lightning has struck the track somewhere. It's a rainstorm over here. Can't tell if it's going away or coming. That's not what just rained on us. I don't know. I can't tell. But they've stopped track actions for lightning. So, that'll be it for me. We're gonna go home. Well, we're gonna go pick Lando up first. So I dropped them off at daycare. We're gonna pick Lando up, and then we're gonna go home and look through some of these pictures. All right, Lando's been picked up from daycare. Did you have a good day, daycare? Did you have a good day, daycare? Did you? Digga boy, digga boy. So that's gonna be it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm excited to see some of the good pictures that came out. We're gonna go home and look at some right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Tune in for the next video where we're going to be doing a whole breakdown of my time at WRL. I got a couple drivers that I'm going to be doing photos for. So this is going to be tons of fun. I'm super excited. So y'all take it easy. Peace.